Hi guys, so today I'll be telling you about how to give a painting like effect to a normal digital picture. So first of all you have to select a picture. So we have here a picture of a beautiful woman standing in a jungle. Anyways, so first of all you have to have a picture, and if there is a proper background and a proper object placed in the image, then it kind of it gives depth to your picture, to your painting. So select the picture and then go to art history brush tool and select it. Now as you can see, the size is 4 right now, so I'm just gonna increase the size to almost around 50. Yeah, that will do, I think. And I'm just gonna rub this, just the hardness. Yeah, I'm just going to rub all this, the entire brush on this picture. Okay, so that's how I'll do it. Okay, so we have run the brush over picture, all over the picture at the size of 50. Okay, so now I'm just going to reduce the size to 40, in fact 30. Yeah, and now I'm just going to run the brush over the background area, okay, where there are trees and all. Okay, not on the object, only on the background area, which is the most distant area. Okay, forest. Okay, that's done now. So we can clearly see the trees, where the trees are in this image. So now I'm just going to reduce the size to almost 20, and I will just rub this brush only on the trees where I can see them. Okay, just to give them a little more definition as compared to the the original background we have. Okay, now the ground here should also be very much defined, so I'm just going to run the brush over here also with same size, but I think we can go further. So I'm just going to decrease the brush size to almost 10 now. Yes, yeah, this will do. Yeah, this is looking great. Yeah, okay, so it's tree which is very much near to the image. I will also color that also in the same size, that is 10, to give more clarity as compared to the trees in the background. Now for the object, yes, I will color it with 10 size of the brush. Coming out very clear. You can see here definition of the object is coming out very much clear now. Okay, just all these edges. Okay, now I think basic things done. Now I will again reduce the size to around 7. Yeah, and I'll just put it slightly, click it slightly on over the eyes, over the nose, and over the lips, just to give it a proper shape. Okay, yeah, this will do. Okay, great. I'll just work on the blemishes which we have, small blemishes. Yeah, I think it's looking good enough. Okay, the whole art history brush tool work is done now, and now we'll be using the filters just to give it a texture of a canvas painting. So I'm going to filter now, filter, go to texture, and then texturizer. Yeah, I think it's already texture selected here, and I think this one is looking good enough. It's giving a good texture to the image. So you can add scales, you can relieve, you can modulate that as according to your needs. I think this much will give a good impression. Okay, this is done. Yeah, it's giving a nice impression. I'm just going to edit the colors also, just to give it a more natural painting like touch. And the lesser it should be like like a digital image, it should not look like a fake. So yeah, I'll go to color balance. Because when you're using watercolors, you don't have too many colors in that. So just trying to reduce the range of all the colors and bring them to almost single, or lesser shades should be visible. I think this much of CC is also good enough, and there you go, and you have your digital image, which has been now converted into a picture, into a painting. So isn't that beautiful? Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.